We're at MJ Biz, and this has basically become like an alumni edition of Growing Exposed because we got Albert and we got Tyler Dooley.
What's up, my baby?
How you doing? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
These guys both have transitioned from what they were doing on the last episodes, and we're all hanging out in MJ Biz. So tell us what we got here.
So this is an adaptation on the knockbox. So obviously everyone's familiar with the knockbox. You know, what we offer is, you know, we design this as manufacturers, as people that produce pre-rolls for other companies.
So we're just gonna run this demo real quick. Uses the knockbox.
Why is this such a big deal?
Because it makes closing and packing the pre-rolls is about 10 times faster than hand twisting.
Any machine can make as many pre-rolls as they can advertise, that's fine, but closing the pre-roll and finishing a pre-roll ready for packaging, labor is the biggest cost in any pre-roll. There's no debating that. The labor, hands down, is gonna make or break a pre-roll. And if you're manufacturing for other companies or your own company, labor is gonna be the biggest factor, right? Also, it's all actuated, nothing breaks. There's no microchip. You don't have to call IT tech support. It's just what you see is what you get, and it's the fastest pre-roll machine on the market, hands down. I mean, we can make 50,000 pre-rolls a day without breaking a sweat for a quarter of the cost, a fraction of the cost of any machine on the market. That's it, simple.
Just perfect pre-rolls.
Dutch fold.
Every single time, machine press, perfect stiff neck.
Where can people find out more information on this?
Just put a link in the bio. Put the IGs, let's get it.
We'll add it in the bio. Yeah.
Awesome.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Justin, thank you, bro.
Always good to see you, man.
Good to see you.